Welcome to the official Alma for subscribers. I'm so excited to have 4 subscribers. Not sure about 4 subscribers. Hello Kitty's talking about 4 subscribers with me. So hi, welcome to the subscriber girl. And then guess what premiered on PBS Kids today? Alma's Way. What? Alma's Way? Alma's Way? Oh, yeah. Well, because we did 2 subscribers in the last couple of weeks. What? 2 subscribers? Yes. I went 2 subscribers, then my current subscribers are 4 subscribers. Happy 4 subscribers! Thank you for all. And then, congratulations. How about a play button's coming for 4 subscribers? Why am I getting views? Well, I'm getting views because paid to boys. What? Oh no, oh yeah, but my hair is going. No, I'm gonna show it. Oh no, I mean my sister. Mirror Kitty. Oh, Hello Kitty and Malikins. And Hello Kitty and Goodbye Kitty. No, Goodbye Kitty. I'm Goodbye Kitty. Oh, what about you? Goodbye Kitty. Oh, that is for all subscribers. 2, 4. Okay, bye.